Whiskey's shower. Whiskey, you are quite a monkey boy, aren't you? Oh! His eyes are like popping out of his head.
Okay. Abre a porta.
Now we're adding the shampoo that comes with the conditioner.
Meu Deus.
Look at you! You're so funny! Hello!
Calinho.
He actually likes having baths, which is surprising, because I'm not sure if many dogs do. Whiskey looks so funny. Look at you!
Pele rosinha.
Agora tem que passar o condicionador. Segura aqui, filho.
Okay.
Só segura aqui.
Mas mãe, como que eu paro o vídeo?
Calma. Depois você edita.
Look at you! You're so funny! Look at you! This is like a very manky swimming pool now. It's because you're dirty, Whiskey. Didn't know that.